Tina not answering my call? Answer my call. Let me message her. Tina honey has blocked me. Darn it! Why is she angry with me now? I did all I could. I even tried to make Diya fall in the bathroom. None of my plans succeeded. Moreover, even Arjun is suspicious of me. What do I do? Darn it! Let me try again. Oh my lord!
Hey, what's this? You only brought booze? What do you call what we eat along with it? Nibbles. Where are the nibbles? Didn't you get it?
Yes, we have it. Here it is.
Hey dear, you solved my problem. Wow. I cannot tell you how bored I was. I was afraid about how will I spend 7 days in boredom. But Monica, you did an amazing job by getting this. Besides, we have to play together until we have a few drinks together. How will it be fun, right? Monica,
Yes?
thank you.
Niharika? What am I hearing, huh? What's Deepika saying?
What's the problem, Kush?
Why does Arjun suspect you of lacing Diya's food with drugs? Is it true? Why are you quiet? Answer me.
What? Yes, I laced Diya's food with the drugs. Just like everyone else, even you are suspecting me, Kush. Fine, I added the drugs. Happy now. I was with Karan Mathur and planned the whole thing, huh? Diya is my enemy. Do you know what I got in return? Lots of money. Kush, you are my husband. And if you suspect me like this, then people are bound to insult me.
Monica, you wretch. Do you think you can get me to drink alcohol and ruin the training for me? I have something else planned. You don't know me. No matter what the problem is, I always find a way around it. I am not attending the camp only to play. I have to stay at camp and find out the truth behind the false case against Arjun. Or how else will I achieve for what I have actually come here?
What's wrong with you? What's the matter? Are you bored of me? Is there another woman in your life? Tell me if that's the case. Why are you treating me like an enemy? I can't live like this, Kush. It's better that you kill me, Kush.
What are you
can't
doing,
live like
Niharika?
this.
Let go!
Kill me, Kush.
Niharika!
Kill
Niharika,
me.
let go! Let go!
I will kill myself today. I can't live like this. I just cannot, Kush. I will end my life today. I will kill myself. I really can't take this anymore.
Niharika.
I'm now going to die.
Niharika,
I'm
what
going
are
to
you
kill
doing?
myself.
Niharika!
Leave me,
Get
Kush.
down! Are you insane? Get down, Niharika! Are you insane? Why do you threaten to end your life time and again?
What should I do? No one trusts me.
Hey, Niharika, I was just asking like whether you...
If I had done it, drugs would have been found in Diya's blood sample, Kush.
Okay, calm down, calm down. Look, Niharika, I know you don't want to hear all this about yourself, and in fact, nobody would want to hear this. But considering the past mistakes that you have made, people are bound to suspect you for what had happened here.
Kush, I didn't do it, Kush. Kush, Arjun cooks food for Diya. She eats the food that he makes. Didn't you see how he spoke to me that night? I didn't do it, Kush. I didn't do it.
Niharika, please stop crying.
It's all set. Come on, please close the door.
Yes.
Monica, why are you standing? Sit down. You too. Sit. It's all set. This is for both of you. Monica, you drink? Shall we begin? Wait. We will not drink sip by sip. It's not fun, you know. We'll do bottoms up. You know, it has a different charm to it. Let's see who finishes first. Okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
What's this?
Sorry, dear. I'm drinking booze after so long, you know. The drink was so hard. I can't drink at home. It's not allowed, you know. So I have to drink it on the sly. And bottoms up was also after a long time. Sorry, yeah. But we can have one more round. Monica Sharma, what you do is overacting. I will show you what real acting is.
Calm down, please, Niharika. Stop crying, please. Niharika, please calm down. Yes, Deepika?
Kush, did you speak to Arjun?
No. Why? What happened?
Kush, Banno saw Arjun go out of the house with a bag. Kush, didn't I tell you that Arjun said after the argument that he would leave the house? Did Arjun really leave the house? Kush, I'm really very worried.
Deepika, wait, I'll check.
Did Arjun really left the house? Sorry, friends. The smell of it made me feel nauseous. But I will drink it now. I will drink it.
Okay, but this time you'll drink it first.
No. I mean, we all will drink together. Come on, let's do bottoms up again. Drinking it sip by sip isn't as much fun as doing a bottoms up. You know, Monica, in bottoms up challenges, I have always been on the top. It's all set. Take your glasses, guys. Who are you waiting for? Come on, cheers. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. It's a happy ambience, guys. And I want you to recite a poem. What say? I want to.
Go on.
Thanks to the person who has made alcohol. Whoever drank it forgot about their enmity. Wow, amazing! Thank you. But now, let's begin. 1, 2, and 3. It's very hard. Listen, why are you looking at me like it? I drank it all. I finished it all. Monica, you are my friend. And on that note, I will recite another poem.
Of course.
Not like this. You have to give the go-ahead signal. Give the go-ahead, friends. Give the
Go ahead.
Hide the bottle under the bed. I will drink it on the slide.
Wow, wow.
Hide the bottle under the bed. I'll drink on the slide. When the bottle asks for justice, I will make a shot for it too.
Wow, amazing. Diya, I thought you were a plain Jane, but you turned out to be really smart.
You shouldn't go by appearances. Appearances are deceiving. Come on, let's have another round. Okay, let's do a bottoms up for one last time. And after that, we will sip it slowly, slowly. What else we'll do? What else we'll do? We will dance! We will dance! We'll dance a lot! Yes! Monica and her friends are drinking alcohol at the hostel. Oh dear Lord. What if the warden gets to know about it?
Monica, she deceived us. She got us drunk badly. You cheat! I won't spare you!
Be in control of yourself first. Honestly, I had not planned on doing this to you. But people like you deserve it. Should I tell the warden that state championship players had alcohol and are inebriated in the hostel rooms? You will get eliminated in 1 minute. Understand?
I'll not. I will.
Switched off again. Switched off.
Don't worry, he must have gone to the camp to meet Diya.
Arjun can't go to the camp. His entry isn't allowed there.
My worst fears have come true.
Madhuri, why are you reacting like this? This is not the first time Arjun has left the house. And even if he has, he must definitely have a plan. I don't understand what he's doing. He won't leave Karan alone. He threw a shoe at Karan. Then he called a raid on his office. He even took the police to his residence. How long will a decent man put up with all this?
Come on. Let's sleep. It's late. Have a seat. I'm scared.
Scared? Why?
I have heard that this place is haunted. Ghosts have been sighted here.
You believe all this? Ghosts don't exist. Silly. Idea. Sorry, Lord. I'm sorry for the act I'm going to put on.
I just don't get it, Madhuri. Doesn't Arjun have anything else on his agenda but Karan Mathur? Why doesn't he forget the past and try to start anew? Why won't he move on?
Karan is not decent. Do you think he is a good guy? Why don't you do one thing? Why don't you call Karan and check if Arjun is with him? He might have gone to confront him in a fit or rage.
Hello.
Hello, Karan.
Tell me. You called me at this hour?
Karan, has Arjun come over there?
Wow. You ask me that as if Arjun is a close friend. Sorry. He hasn't come here. Anyway, I have a lot of work other than meeting Arjun. I'm sure you know. Camp has started and I'm very busy.
Look, Karan, we've spoken about this earlier too. I know everything. You and Arjun are slinging mud at each other at every given moment. You forget that even our names are being dragged through the mire. Let's get one thing straight. You harbor enmity with Arjun. So why are you dragging Diya into this? What happened at the press conference was wrong. Listen, if anything happens to Diya, then neither I nor anybody else will be able to stop Arjun. He will destroy himself and take everyone else down with him. And it has already begun. Arjun has left the house. No one knows where he is, where he went, or what he plans on doing.
Are you trying to scare me? It's evident from your voice that you are scared. Besides, I helped you by stopping Diya. As far as Arjun is concerned, tell him that his life is in my hands. If he tries anything clever, I'll snap it.
Hello? Hello?
What happened? What did Karan say? Where is Arjun?
No, Madhuri. Arjun didn't go to meet Karan.
Oh Lord, then where could Arjun have gone?
Sorry, ma'am. I went home without informing you. My son was unwell.
Okay, how is he now?
He's fine. I ran into Arjun on the way home.
Arjun?
He gave me this letter and asked me to give it to you only. And he was holding a bat. He was going somewhere. When I asked, he didn't reply. He simply left.
Hey, listen. Do you remember that guy? The one we met during the last tournament?
Who? Anurag?
Such a fantastic player. He's hot too. Ghost. Not a ghost. He's hot. Ghost. Ghost. Ghost.
Arjun's letter?
Read it and see what it says.
Mom, show me. What has he written? Sorry, Mom. I'm leaving without telling you.
But what could I do? If I told you, you wouldn't have let me go. But don't worry. I'm not leaving forever. So please don't cry. I'm going away for a few days. Sometimes you need a second story to bring a conclusion to the first. My story could not reach a conclusion 5 years ago. Maybe because it was meant to reach its conclusion along with Diya's. So when my story reaches a conclusion, then I will start my life afresh. I'll return soon, Mom, along with Diya and the trophy. Till then, take care. And don't cry, because I hate tears. Love you.
It means he must be close to the camp. He will surely be around Diya. I helped you by stopping Diya. As far as Arjun is concerned, tell him that his life is in my hands.
I must stop Arjun. I have to stop him by any means whatsoever. My goodness. I thought someone saw me. By the way, is everything fine there? I mean, Dia.
The problems began from the time she got here.
Karan is aware of Dia and Monica's history. And he's taking advantage of it. Monica is doing everything at Karan's behest. We have to keep an eye on Monica.
It will be done, sir. You must come with me before someone sees you over here.
But you didn't tell me where I'll be staying.
The old staff quarters are situated on the other end of the academy. No one frequents it, and there are no CCTV cameras. I have made arrangements for you to stay in a room over there only. No one will know that you are staying over there. And I stay just 2 buildings from there. I'll keep meeting you, sir.
Thank you so much, Biplab. You're jeopardizing your job to help me. Thank you. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
As far as my knowledge goes, the files of old players are kept in the information room. Arjun's file must be there too. That file should contain the names of the people who were on the panel associated with Arjun's case. Information room.